What's up, guys? We're back. So it's time. We cut the Kahaluu on Tuesday, and it's only been 4 days, and I feel it. It's soft. So I'm actually gonna do it right now because this is the only time I have to be able to kind of show this Kahalu'u tasting. So I stuck a toothpick in. It went all the way through, nice and smooth. And I tried it at a different point also. I stuck it in from the bottom. And it went right through and it was pretty smooth. So looks like the skin is still green. It's not, it's starting to turn a little brownish here, but it's not like your traditional Hass, which turns all black, and that's when you know it's ripe. So it's more of a, it's going to be a green skin ripe avocado. So let's take that off. I couldn't find my other knife, so we're using this one. So 18.5 ounces is what I weighed it at when I picked it. And I got this from a local avocado enthusiast, a friend. And let's cut it open. Let's see. All right, goes in nice. And moment of truth. Let's see. Wow, that looks really nice. It almost kind of looks like the Santa Clara Gold, how the color looks, and then how the flesh kind of sticks to the seed just a little bit there. You can sort of see a little fiber, but I'm curious to see if you can actually taste it or not. But so let's do my normal peel test here. And I usually start at the bottom. So the skin is actually, it feels thicker than the Santa Clara Gold at this time. But it does feel like it breaks as you're peeling it. It's thicker skin and it breaks. But if you go a little slower, you can get it to peel like that, I guess. But I would say because it's thicker, it's probably very scoopable. You can definitely scoop it out. But let's do a quick tasting. That's good. This has more of a nutty flavor on the back end. It's very smooth. It's buttery. It's dense also, which is kind of good. Hold on, let me try another piece here. So against the skin, you can. It's kind of like reed. How when you cut open a reed, the skin's so thick that it has a little kind of graininess. I can taste the graininess a little bit, but this is good. This is a good avocado. So having this and having one in my yard, I will definitely keep it. This is a keeper. I mean, this is a good size fruit too. I personally like smaller fruit, but we do have a family of five, so having one fruit, this would be able to kind of make avocado toast for the whole family from one fruit, which is awesome. But if you are just you and your wife and you got this big fruit, you'll probably just use half of the fruit. Um, but this is excellent. It's I'm trying to describe the flavor, but the flavor kind of goes away pretty quickly, so it's not like it lingers. But overall, this is really good. I really think that now I'm having a tough time rating fruit compared to, like to me, probably other varieties have a higher, like to me, taste probably better. But this fruit being how it tastes right now in March of this year right now. I mean, I'm sure it fruited last year and it sat on the tree for a year. And so having a fruit of this quality at this time of year, and this size, this is, to me, that's kind of a winner. So I definitely would say go ahead and get it if you can. So I'm curious to see, because I have other varieties that I'm working on right now too. And there's some varieties that I have that I've already tasted that I'm planning on top working because they were just okay, not great. But this is one of the ones that I would say I would keep and not top work. So, so that's definitely a plus, having this fruit here. Well, anyways, I hope you guys are doing good. Happy Saturday, and get out into your garden and go check out your trees. And we will talk later. See ya.